achieve our target 750 in MBA admission, and we are also more expecting in our different field, like we have also worked in the field of MBBS and BTech. Definitely we have a big number in MBBS, 200 plus admission, and we also have a target of BTech in 100 plus admission in 2021. So I am very happy that for our MBA session we closed 750 admission for 2021 session. Thank you.
And we achieved 750 admissions in MBA PGDM. Very thankful to our team. Without sport, we can't achieve that. And for other courses, we are also looking forward. Like for the graduations, we are also targeting 200 to 300 admissions. And for the MBBS abroad, we are targeting 200 plus admissions. And definitely, अगर टीम का सपोर्ट रहा तो definitely we will achieve it.